how to use Lusha to prospect. So once you log in to your Lusha dashboard, what you're going to do is come here and click on search. This is where you can prospect. So you can come and filter in. First, let's choose an industry. Let's do the medical industry. So we'll do medical equipment. Let's be a little bit specific here. Let's see how many contacts that will live up. Okay, about 1 million people. Let's do employee headcount. We'll do only one prospect, companies with at least 1,000 people. Okay, we can choose that right here, and that will reduce the amount of contacts. So we are trying to target people in, let's say, Florida. Okay, we'll do Florida, United States, and that should bring it down even more. We still have over 7,500 people. And remember, guys, you can only prospect up to 500 at a time. You can also choose revenue, funding, intent, buyer intent as well, or intent topics. And then you can also choose job titles. For example, purchasing officers. So people are in the purchasing department. So let's do purchasing. We'll put that in as a job title. That's a keyword. So these are the senior purchasing managers for, you see how targeted we made this, guys? Medical equipment industry. About 1,000 to 5,000 people working there. A decent sized company. And then what you can do is, select multiple people and click on show details. It will show details for these people. So if I come here and now I can see their details. So I have their email, their phone number. I can contact them. I can contact him as well, right? And I can also add all of them to my contact list for the future if I want to do email outreaches or run some campaigns. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this helped you out.